Okay, I'm gonna show you how we cook pork chitterlings. We call them chitlins here in the country. But as you can see, those were the premium, the pre-clean. I got 6 of them here. I'm doing this outside because they say they are pre-clean, but they're really not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna thaw them out a little bit. I'm gonna warm the water up. Once I get them thawed out, I'm gonna put them in my cooler. Once I put them in my cooler, I'm gonna clean them. And I'm gonna show you how I clean them, and a lot of them I throw away because certain parts of them I don't even try to cook. As you can see, I'm putting them in my cooler. And don't buy the ones that are in that red box. They are not clean, and when they say they're not clean, they are really not clean. And you're gonna have a lot of work going through trying to sort through those and clean them. These are pre-clean, and like I said, they aren't really pre-clean. I'm cleaning them again. As you see, I got them in my cooler. I'm rinsing them off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through each one of them. And I told myself this was my last year doing this, but after I finish and ate some, I'm gonna do it again. But I won't be doing so much of them. I'm gonna do maybe 2 or 3 bags of them. As I said, this is 6 bags. Just go through them and I clean off all the stuff out of it, the film and all the dirt or anything that goes through the intestines. As you can see, I'm going one by one. And while I'm cleaning them, I'm putting them in the boiler here. So I'm cleaning them real good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring that to a boil a little bit, and then I'm gonna pour the water out and put some new water in. This is the stuff I'm throwing away. All that stuff right there, it looks nasty. I don't put that in the bowl. I throw all of that away. So you can see stuff like this, I dispose of it. And they said this is pre-clean, but check this out. This is what come out of the pre-clean chitlins. I know some of you guys that never ate none probably will never eat any chitlins, but I'm telling you, man, once you throw all of this stuff away right here and clean them, and you boil them for about 4 hours, you got yourself a nice meal. And we do it every year, only once a year. You can see I boil mine like I boil crawfish. I use all the seasonings that I use for crawfish. I got my crab boil. And if you're doing a little pot of these, you can do them in the house. Make sure your vent is on. And make sure that you are putting potatoes and stuff in there. And this right here is my garlic salt. And you probably seen my crawfish boil. You probably say, hey, this is similar to this crawfish. And I'm gonna throw my butter in there. And make sure you put some potatoes and a couple of teaspoons of vinegar if you can. So make sure you put some potatoes in there, and that takes away the smell. And I boil this thing on high, and use your onions and garlic and celery. This is the package I got already pre-cut: yellow onions, celeries, and sage. And other things, just throw it in there, just like you're doing your crawfish. And I'm putting that in, like I said, it takes about 4 hours of boiling for this to be tender enough. Now, if you want to, you can cook it in an hour and a half if you got a pressure cooker. But like I'm doing mine outside, you see I'm putting my garlic. And this is my minced garlic. I love garlic. I put minced garlic in almost everything. You don't want to overpower it with garlic, but it is good. Also, you see I'm stirring it up. And like I said, make sure you put some potatoes in there. It gives it, takes away that smell, and you get a little gravy, not much. You thicken your water a little bit. Just let the potatoes just boil out, like I said, for 4 hours. And I also throw a crab boil in there. I leave it in there for about an hour, no more than an hour, just to give it some more spice to it. Put your lid on it and let it cook for 4 hours. 4 hours. Once you're done 4 hours, this is what you get. These are your chitlins. Sometimes we even put some cornmeal on them and fry them. After we boil them, sometimes we fry a few of them. My dad used to do that. So this is what they look like. This is our New Year's Day meal. You got some chitlins, some collard greens, and cabbage, and rice, and beans, and you got some dressing, You just got some broccoli, rice, and cheese, sweet potatoes, and I also fried some chicken to put on there. I just didn't have enough room for my chicken. But this is how you cook chitlins. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Thank you. Have a great day.